Here's a quick tutorial showing you CapCut mobile. So go to your app store, search for CapCut, and then download the CapCut video editor. Typically, when you open it for the first time, it will ask you a few questions that describe your role. Based on your selection, it may determine things like types of templates and assets and things that might pop up later on in the interface. To update your app, you may get a notification, but if you have those turned off or don't see it, just go to the App Store, and from here you can tap the update button. If there's one available, it will show you here. Just tap that, just like any other app, and it will update it for you. Now, later in my section on editing with the mobile app, I'm going to go through the entire process, but I do want to give you a quick sneak peek at what the app looks like, the layout, so you can kind of work yourself around it if you're just wanting to get going. Here we have 4 tabs on the app. Starting with the Edit tab, where we'll spend the most time, you have a bunch of tools at the top. You have a photo editor, you have some AI tools like script to video, you can add captions, retouch photos and video. You can even turn this into a teleprompter, which is pretty cool. Down below that, you have a button for starting a new project. From there, you'll be able to select the footage that you want to use from your photos, and then it will automatically import it into a timeline that then you can add things like titles, text, transitions, effects, and all of that kind of great stuff. Below, you have projects you've worked on in the past, your edits. So these are your from scratch projects, and then your templates, which are from templates. Speaking of templates, templates are an amazing way to quickly create content using CapCut. If I go onto the templates page, you can see all kinds of popular templates and styles. You have categories up at the top. You can also search for specific categories in the toolbar, like travel or cooking or whatever, photography, whatever type of content creator you are, there will be templates for you. If you want to preview a template, just tap on it and it will open it up. It will also show you at the bottom of the preview how many clips that it uses. And you'll want to have that many clips to use. Tap on template or use template at the bottom. And then from here, we can select our footage. So maybe we'll just tap on the footage from our class. And down below, you see that it appears in our tray at the bottom. Tap next, and we now have a template that we can quickly export from the top and share with the world. You can customize the text, the music, and all of that as well, but that is just a very quick look at how you would use templates in CapCut. Next, you have your inbox and your me. So if you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in or to create a profile, which is completely free. There is a pro account which costs money, and it unlocks features that you'll see within the editing app. But for now, just sign up for free. You can use Google, TikTok, whatever, create your custom account with your email. And here you can connect with other creators. In your inbox, you'll find notifications from CapCut as well as interactions with any fans, followers, users that you connect with as well. So go ahead and download the mobile CapCut app if you're interested in learning from me, and I will see you in that later section. The first lesson is a little bit of a repeat of what I showed you here, and then we'll just start going in depth with templates and custom edits in the following lessons. All right, enjoy Dan's section, and I'll see you later in mine. Bye.